guys, it's Ashley.
Hi, and I'm Liz.
And we are back here on Dancing in the Kitchen for our final segment in our Breakfast for Busy Moms That Kids Will Love theme. And Liz, I'm curious to know, do you have a favorite dessert?
I really love banana splits.
Yay!
Yeah, that's my go-to.
Because we have another sort of dessert for breakfast fun idea for kids, which is a fun take on banana splits. We've got super seed splits here that are really fun for kids too because they can help and it's quick and easy in the morning. So unlike the other recipes that we've featured in this theme, this is not a recipe you really need to batch cook. You can kind of just throw it together in the morning.
That's nice.
But one of the ways that you can make it a little easier is choose the seeds that you want to include and just toss them together in a Ziploc bag so that in the morning, all you have to do is like boom, boom, boom. Bananas, yogurt, fruit, grab a little handful of the seeds, sprinkle, and maybe a handful of the granola, good to go.
Perfect, love that.
This is one you can just throw together in the morning and get yourself and your kids out the door.
Yeah, and it's fun.
It is very fun. All right, so our recipe is super seed splits, and we're going to focus on sunflower seeds as our sort of superstar ingredient here, but really, there's a lot to love. And one of the nutrients in sunflower seeds that is particularly helpful for mood and mental health is selenium. And selenium is helpful for the production of serotonin, which, as we know, because we covered a lot, is really good for depression.
Yes.
And additionally, there have been some studies that have shown that people who take selenium supplements have reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety, and that people who are low on their selenium levels tend to have a greater chance of anxiety.
So you need to get that selenium.
Get your selenium, and sunflower seeds are a great source.
Perfect. You know, I have a really simple question. It seems simple to me, but I'm not really quite sure the difference. So can you tell me what's the difference between a seed and a nut?
Absolutely. I was actually curious about this too, so I was doing a little research before the show.
Okay.
So seeds are actually embryonic plants that are enclosed in an outer shell.
Okay.
Whereas nuts are actually a fruit of a plant that is enclosed in a hard shell with a seed inside. Who knew?
Blown.
Yeah, and they are a little bit different. So one thing that I actually learned sending my son to preschool was that people who have nut allergies generally are not sensitive to seeds. Yeah, so if a school has a rule about no tree nuts or no peanuts, usually seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, those kinds of things are safe.
Awesome, that's really good to know, thank you.
Yeah, and seeds in general are just, powerhouses. They're really good for cognitive function, again, promoting learning and memory, which is great when you're sending your kiddos off to school.
Yeah, I'm a fidgeter, so I like the sunflower seeds because I like to just addictively eat them, so.
Me too. Yeah, well, we should do that after the show.
I have a jar upstairs next to my computer, and I literally eat them when I'm working. It helps me for some reason.
Yeah, so. I like to eat them if I am watching a show in the evening and unwinding, I'm sitting there with my sunflower seeds.
Yeah, I don't eat popcorn, so they're kind of like my popcorn because they're just addictive and you just keep eating them, so. Yeah,
well,
little fun
there
fact.
You go. Fun fact about Ashley and Liz. We have so much in common. All right, well, shall we get cooking?
Let's do the splits.
Ooh.
This one's called In Colors.
Oh, we're in colors.
We're always in color.
Yes, we are.
We live in color.
We like
don't
to be
live
bright.
in black and white. We live in color. Technicolor. So that brings me to our next song by the same collaborators, Jordan Powers and Stefan Litt, and it's called In Colors.
I like it.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna make my seed blend first, and then like I said earlier, we can just put that in a Ziploc bag and use it every time we make this recipe going forward. So let's just do it once and use it lots of times. All right, so I've got these pepitas, pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna put some of those in. I've got some hemp seeds. We've got almonds.
Is this like a measurement situation, or is it just kind of put a little?
Just put a little.
Put a little bit, sprinkle, whatever you like. Some more, some less.
Exactly, yeah, and so it's according to your preference too, whatever seeds you prefer. And I've got my sunflower kernels here. We've got flax. This is a ground flax seed, but you could also use whole. And I've also got ground chia. So last but not least, I've got some white sesame seeds and then some kind of fun black sesame seeds. Cool. All right, I'm just gonna take my spoon, mix all that together. All right,
we're ready to build.
toppings.
Yay, okay.
Yum, delightfully crunchy. That is what I would call the super seed splits.
That's good. Yeah, I like that.
We hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm curious to know what your favorite seed blend is. Yeah, so if you put together your little Ziploc with all your seeds in it, what are your favorites to include?
Yeah, please let us know.
Yeah, comment below. Please like and subscribe.
Yes.
It helps our show.
It does, very much so. And then also, if you want to buy us a coffee, that helps to support our show as well.
Absolutely. And of course, merch. You can go to our merch shop. All the links are provided.
Yep.
And purchase your very own Dancing in the Kitchen apron or a mug or a tote.
shirt. We got them all.
We'd love to see you on the street and be like, hey,
Hey,
you're in the know.
that's our shirt.
That's right. That's our show.
Love that.
Awesome. Well, have a beautiful day and
See
take
you
care
next
and be
time.
well. Bye.
Get